What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and I am pumped about today's video, but also a little bit sad because we are selling our house. And in this video, we're gonna give you the walkthrough tour of the entire home that I've lived in for the last 4 years, and hopefully one of you is gonna wanna buy it. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, I've been investing in real estate for the last 9 years. For the last 4 of those years, I've lived here in this home. If you follow the channel, you also know that I just suggested that there are a lot of people out there, including me, that should sell their house as soon as possible because interest rates are still at a reasonable place, but they're about to go through the roof. And so I want someone to be able to purchase this home at an also reasonable interest rate so that they can not only enjoy the actual home as much as we have, but also so that they can get a good deal on it. I'm also offering a great deal on the home because we want to sell it quickly because our new home is just about done. And so in the link down in the description, I'm going to give anyone and everyone the opportunity to put in offers for the home. And we're not going to show it to anyone until it's actually under contract. And so we'll include that information down below. Now, the exterior of the home, we have poured a ton of money into the landscape. However, it's the spring and the grass hasn't really greened up yet. Same with all the plants. So we're gonna show you some footage of the exterior and all the great times we've had the last couple years. All right, guys, one of my favorite parts about this home is this garage. And the reason for that is if you follow the channel, you know I am a big car guy. Now, if you look right here, you're gonna be able to see you've got good parking for a boat or, as I've used, a RZR. There's tons of parking in the front, but more importantly, there's tons of parking in this garage. So we've been able to store our bikes, all the boards, and this garage actually fits 4 cars, as I'll show you in a picture. Right now, I've just kept my 3 favorite in here for the video. So if you pan over here, this is the garage space, and it feels even more open when you don't have cars, but it looks better when you do. All right, guys, let's head inside. We're now at the front door. And one thing I really take pride in is the fact that we have a no shoes, no pets policy in our house. And it's been that way the whole time we've owned it. So come in and check it out. If you can't tell, guys, I'm really trying to sell the house, mostly because I need the money to get into my new house that's about done. And we're really hoping this one can pay for the landscape on our new place. So whoever comes and buys it, just know we are very motivated sellers and we're excited to find a happy owner for this beautiful home. Okay, guys, so this is the front entry. And then it opens up into our living room and our kitchen. And one thing that's kind of unique about our home is none of the furniture are we going to be taking to our new home because we're furnishing it completely differently. So if you do like the furniture, you're more than welcome to keep it in here. If not, we're more than happy to take it out. All right, guys, this is the kitchen and we have had some incredible memories here, but the kitchen and living room is probably one of my favorite parts of the home because as you look, you have all of these massive windows that overlook the entire city. So I promise you there is not a better sunset in the entirety of the United States than right here. Now, maybe that's a little bit of a bold statement, but we really do get some beautiful sunsets up here. And I don't know, I just feel like there's not a better view anywhere. All right, let's take you back into the bedrooms and the master bedroom bathroom. So back here, first stop, I'm gonna show you my daughter's room. I don't know, it's so crazy. It's always hard to leave a home that you've raised kids in because there are just so many good memories here. All right, so let's come check out my son's room. Just to give you a little perspective, this is me laying down in the bedroom. I don't know if that's good or not, but it's in there. And then over here is the bathroom. Now, one of the reasons I love this bathroom is the placement. It just really works out well with both of the kids' bedrooms right here. You've got a good sound barrier from the bedrooms to the living room and from the bedrooms to our bedroom, which was really important to us because in our last home, the kids' bedrooms are right next to ours. And it's nice for getting there quick, but it was not nice for noise, whether it's crying baby or whatever it is, you know, getting a crying baby because you're too loud in any of the other rooms. So that's been really nice. Then over here is the laundry room. So if you peek in here, my wife loved this because there's tons of space, big hanging rack, and lots of storage. And if you've ever been in like a crammed laundry room, you understand. So we really like this one. And then finally, this is our master bedroom. Again, one of my favorite parts about this bedroom is that every night you get the sunset out here. So anytime you spend out here, you've always got the incredible view, you've got the sunset. This is the master bathroom. I really like the layout. You've got lots of room, double vanity, tub, shower, and then a nice little master closet we can let you go check out. And this is the toilet. Probably the, I'm not gonna crack a joke, it's the toilet. Let's show you downstairs. So this is the basement. Couple things that I really love about the basement. First off, they spent extra, and so you've got surround sound here, so you've got a real theater feel. If you also look over here, you've got these in the wall, and then I beefed them up with these. So if you put in some additional speakers, it sounds absolutely incredible down here. They also insulated really well, so we've watched some pretty bumping videos, and it doesn't wake up the kids because they're clear on the other side of the house, which has really been nice. The other thing is this is a massive space. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that we will set up a massive bounce house right here for my kids while leaving this here. And it just is a ton of fun for the kids. But then anytime we've had game nights with friends or other stuff, you've also got this little bar down here. You can set up multiple tables, have a poker night, do whatever you want, but it gives you a ton of space. The other thing, and you guys are gonna have to forgive me because it is the spring and you don't get the full effect of this, but if you come out here, you just have the incredible view, walkout basement. We've got all of our furniture out here, and we've got the hot tub over here. And I think we will just include the hot tub with the purchase, but that's my kids' favorite part of the whole house is out here. You've got the view, you've got the hot tub, you've got the whole setup. One of the things that I also really like about this house is it does have 6 bedrooms, so it's got tons of space. This is our first one. We kind of use this as a guest bedroom for any time we have people that come and stay with us. If you follow the channel, this is where the majority of my videos have happened until we got our new office space. So you can come in, we've got the camera equipment in here, but we'll also run some footage of it without the camera equipment. Then we'll take you into the last bedroom, and each of these bedrooms have, I'll show you guys. My wife's gonna give me a hard time. I've been on a little bit of a shoe shopping spree. So, so they are big closets. They're just full of shoes right now. We'll show you the little bathroom here. This is great, especially because Maddie's family will come in and out of town. So we've got the 6 bedrooms and the 3 bathrooms. And there's actually a massive storage room just right here with cold storage. And when I say massive, it's probably, I don't know, 15 feet deep. And then it's got a long strip under the stairs. And then another thing out under the front. I'm not gonna show that to you because it is the one place we have not gotten cleaned yet, so I apologize. Then if you take in here, this we kind of use as a little gym area, but it's another bedroom. So really nice. We've got the view looking out for our workout, but if you wanted to use it as a bedroom, it's just as big as the others. All right, guys, that is the end of this video. And again, we are trying to sell this house because we're moving into our new home in July. So we're hoping to get someone that will not move in until our home is done so that we don't have to go stay somewhere else. That's our end goal. The real reason I'm listing it for sale now is a lot of times you can get your rates locked in for 90 to 120 days depending on your situation. And we know interest rates are going to go up. And I know that supply in Idaho Falls, where we're selling our home, is very low right now. So I want to help people out and help myself out really by making sure that we can get you great interest rates so that it's a win-win for both of us. I don't think the market is going down. If anything, I think it's continuing to go up, but interest rates are going up. So it makes sense for people to be able to get that interest rate locked in now so that they can get an even better deal on this house. Now, if you're wondering where we're listing this, we're gonna be listing this home at $900,000. If it is someone without a realtor that comes in, truth be told, I think my wife and I would probably accept an offer at like $875,000. Maybe $850 if we get closer to when our house is selling, but I feel like $900 is what the market is for this home, and so we've tried to list it at a very reasonable range. If you have an issue with the link below, you can also just send in an offer at chandlerdavidsmithbusiness@gmail.com, and I've got my secretary sifting through all of those. So if you do send me an email on it, we'll get back to you ASAP as well. If you've got questions or anything else, me and my wife just decided with the YouTube following and all of your help, we're hoping we can sell this without ever having to show it until someone actually has it under contract, just to save us the hassle of dealing with it. We're also not including realtors, which is giving us a lot more flexibility when it comes to selling the house. Now, if you're working with a realtor, hit us up, put in an offer. I might work out something because I want your realtor to be taken care of, but we have no realtor on our end. We're not planning on using one, at least here in the beginning, because we think, putting this out on the YouTube channel, we should be able to find someone that's interested. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and it'd mean the world to me if you share this with friends and family that are potentially looking here in Idaho Falls, Idaho. This is actually on the Ammon side. We're considered in Ammon. And so, yeah, I'll also include a link because we're going to list it on Zillow so you can see pictures, you can see that it's listed. But again, if you're from the YouTube channel, I will hook you up, and we just want to find someone that can work with us timing wise so that we can get this thing sold. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.